Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online.
Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
How to use ChatGPT for SEO.
In 2023, a marketer did something pretty awesome, but also really unethical. Let's call him Bob. He used AI to create an SEO heist. The process was pretty simple. He downloaded the sitemap of his competitors' websites, turned the entire list into blog titles, and used those titles as prompts for an AI content generator like ChatGPT. To cut to the chase, he used the hard work of real people to create duplicative versions of their website and successfully siphon 3.6 million views away from the original source. A success, but definitely not cool. And it's worth noting his success plummeted after 18 months. So I'm telling you this because ChatGPT is a tool, but not a replacement for human thought. That is definitely the wrong way to use ChatGPT. So let's talk about the right way, specifically to boost your SEO. A great place to start is to use ChatGPT to begin your basic keyword research. Use a prompt to come up with a group of keywords related to your business. I'm going to make up a business just so I can explore how it all works. So let's say I'm trying to boost the SEO for a new blog about my favorite food in the city of Boston. I'm going to prompt it for 10 keyword phrases and see what it comes up with. Pretty sweet, right? But you'll notice that these aren't necessarily helpful in and of themselves, because when I check this list of keyword, the search volume on some of these is so low or non-existent. They're probably not worth my time. But I do notice that food towards Boston has some volume and looks like the keyword difficulty is low enough that I might have a shot at getting content based around this idea rank highly. So now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create a topic cluster related to this keyword and see what it comes back with. And there you go, that's a lot of topics and subtopics. One way I like to narrow things down is just to do my own casual Google search for the ones that catch my eye and see what comes back. If there aren't any notable results, it might be worth pursuing. Now I feel like I've got a good place to start in building SEO authority for this keyword. I like this, tips for enjoying a food tour in Boston. So I'm going to start there. You can use ChatGPT to help you generate new headline ideas tied to your keyword. For example, there you go. You can take it further and ask for help crowding outlines and even the content itself. But where's the fun in that? Remember, this isn't a replacement for the human work. It's a facilitator of it. But basically, ChatGPT is prone to simple grammar errors, and so nothing it spits out will contribute to your site's EEAT. If you don't know what that stands for, it means experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness.
EAT is the marquee metric that Google uses to determine the quality of your page.
So that's why it's essential to keep human expert in the process for the sake of quality control and accuracy. Okay, so here's another place ChatGPT can be super helpful, which is generating structured data or the schema markup for your website.
Basically, it's the code that you can insert on the back end of your page to help search engines deliver the best results when you pop up in search. If you're terrible with code, this would be a huge help. I think one of the most exciting parts of ChatGPT is that it can take on some of the duller aspects of building your SEO like metadata. If you hate writing metadata, you can instead prompt it to create metadata for a food tour blog, along with some meta title options. It's a little flowery, but it's a great starting place. With some edits and tweaks, it will be good to go. In my research, I found that ChatGPT can be helpful for performing some competitive analysis like this search I did for other Boston-based food writing.
Now that I have this comprehensive list, I can branch off and do further research on the people I'm going to have outperform in the search rankings. This is all great stuff here for sure. But what about ChatGPT's limitations? Like I said earlier, ChatGPT is not a replacement for human work, because as cool as it is, it's pretty limited. First and foremost, it's widely known for responses that are either completely incorrect or out of date, since its base knowledge only goes back so far. The food blog, for example, I've been using is fairly low stakes, obviously, but if you're using this for something with more impact, it's critical. You keep fact-checking all the data that it spits out. Facts are obviously important, but ChatGPT's other major limitations is that it's just generic. It has no context for what it's spitting out, and thus no real voice or point of view. That's why the human element is so critical. In the age of content creators and social media, generic is the opposite of what builds a brand. You want all your content to match your company's brand, whether it's snarky or professional or witty or whatever. You can still use ChatGPT to brainstorm or even create the skeleton of your content, but you're going to need to spice it up with your brand's particular flavor. Google will detect these things as spammy, and it could impact your rankings. Enough about the negatives though. Are you ready for one final tip?
Most businesses benefit from having an FAQ page on their website, answering common questions from customers about their products or services. ChatGPT is an excellent resource for predicting the kinds of things your customers might ask. Like if you were running a donut shop, for example. But as you can see in 2 seconds, I got a list of common questions that I could easily incorporate into my website that will not only be helpful for any customers visiting the page, but also potentially boost my SEO authority.
ChatGPT is an exciting tool, especially for small businesses who are light on resources, whether it's time, money, or people power. This can be a really powerful assistant in making some of the more menial tasks of marketing your business just a little bit easier. But remember, it's not an all-encompassing solution. Think of it as a head start in the race, but not a shortcut to the finish line. Have you already taken ChatGPT for a spin in your business? Let me know in the comments below.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Bloggy from Technique Force. Run successful blogs on hands-free mode. AI Auto Blogger gets you unlimited organic traffic with unique high-quality articles. The only AI writer that uses multi-AI and creates how-new content based on latest trends. Get traffic, authority, leads, sales, and build organic success for any business you choose. Bloggy AI creates better and unique articles with multiple AIs. Bloggy gives you the option to use all of the best AIs to write unique and high-quality content that stands apart and ranks faster. Writes fresh and original content on 100% autopilot. Bloggy can run on full autopilot. Just give it topics and keywords, and it will automatically churn out fresh articles as often you want on complete autopilot. No need to manually write each article separately. Algo keeps articles fresh and relevant. Writes highly relevant articles on the schedule you specify. Create articles in any language. You can use Bloggy to create articles in any language you want. Choose between all the languages that your favorite AI supports, including English, Spanish, French, Japanese, Italian, Hindi, Chinese, German, and dozens more. Select any websites and automatically rewrite their articles in the language of your choice. It automatically posts articles to your WordPress blogs. Bloggy AI Writer doesn't just write your blog articles. It also posts them to your blog with full SEO optimization. How often do you want to update your blog? Weekly, bi-weekly, daily? Choose your schedule. Bloggy can handle it. Automatically SEO optimizes blog articles. Bloggy AI Writer does all the work for you. That includes perfectly optimizing your articles. Bloggy AI Writer generates the perfect headlines, keywords, meta description, categories, tags, and slog for your article. Full control over style, tone, voice, and personality. Bloggy gives you full control over the blogger's personality. You can set the style and tone, create a unique personality, and even give it a simple article to use as a reference for style. Automatically creates images and infographics for your articles. Every blog article deserves a good graphic. Bloggy AI creates graphics and infographics for your article using the latest and most powerful image AIs. Follow any website and get their latest articles for your blogs. Perfect for affiliate and product promotion blogs. Write for multiple blogs and create multiple writer personalities. Go manual if you want. Write AI content with full control. Never hire a Fiverr freelancer guy again. Bloggy does it better. Bloggy is the only 100% autopilot writer. Grab leads, make sales, and build an audience. Always updated, Bloggy gets the latest AIs and algorithm updates. Dominate any niche or market with auto blogging. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Bloggy now. Just go to getbloggy.in.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.